Hi, good day. I'm Giselle P. Brano, butcher here in Davao City, Philippines. Today, I will show you the 5 standard cuts of a whole dressed chicken. But before I proceed to cuttings, let me show you how to sharpen my knife using my honing steel in 45-degree angle. Now, let's proceed to cuttings. Now, these are the different parts of a whole dressed chicken. Backbone, drumstick, thigh part, wings, and the